Good morning, Hanson Huskies. Happy Wednesday to you all. Quick video lesson to make sure you understand what you should do today. I'm going to walk you through everything. Just like in the past, you are going to go to your lesson plan for today. Make sure you're looking at Wednesday, Mrs. Paget's Period 2, Language Arts students. You're going to watch the video while you're watching it right now. Okay, we've got Unit 8, Week 3. You go to the link and open up in Google Drive. Quick review, we've got Week 2, Week 1, find Week 3, W3 right there. Open it up. You've done Monday's work, Day 1. You've done Tuesday's work, Day 2. You are on Day 3 and it changes up a little bit. So this is what I want to make sure you know what to do. Okay, you're going to access the leveled texts online. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanoes. Super exciting stuff. I love learning about Earth. You're going to read chapters 1 and 2 and the Cartoonist Notebook on pages 4 through 29. So let's do that together. Let's access Benchmark together online. I'm going to open up. You're familiar with this. Mine says Benchmark Advance. I click on 6th grade. Unit 8. Then I'm going to go down, and I'm not exactly sure what yours looks like. For mine, it says small group right here. And when I go to small group, I see all these different titles. You're welcome to read and explore any of these titles at any time. These books are here for your use. So for today's lesson, you open up the little wheel here, Earthquakes, Tsunamis, and Volcanoes. Okay. If you want to create a customization to save your work, select yes, but make sure you type your first and last name in the box. And here we have what you're going to read today. Okay, and you can open it up, turn the pages, table of contents. Very interesting stuff here. Okay, folks. Again, if you have any questions, you're not sure what to do, or you can't seem to access the books, I can walk you through that. Just shoot me a little message on Class Dojo or through an email and let me know what you need from me. I can call you and we can work through things together very quickly. All right, my friends, have a fabulous day. Take care. Be good to your families.